What's up, Money Gang? It's your favorite money making Monique. I don't even know what day we're on, so I'm not even gonna say no day. I'm just throwing the video out there and making sure I give y'all this content. Cause y'all probably like by now I'm all over the place. You're getting old, you're getting new. You don't even know what you're watching. You just know you watching Money Making Monique.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey.
On this video today, I am going to be showing y'all a new product that I will be adding on to my website for the 2025 year. Like I've been telling y'all, for the majority of the year, I've been dealing with a lot of death in the family. So I've been dipping and dabbing a little bit more on like memorial gifts and memorial keepsakes, I should say. So in this video, we're about to do a memorial necklace. Let me turn it around, Lord. Ooh, cut. So we're about to do a memorial necklace, and this necklace is my nephew Derek that passed away about 2 to 3 years ago, I think, 2021. But this is his necklace that I made for my son. I am going to show y'all some other necklace so I can show y'all how to do it. It's real easy though, y'all. It's very easy. So this is something that I'm going to show y'all that I will be having on my website. And if you ever wanted to know how they made, you about to find out step by step. Let's get in this video. Alright, so this piece right here, you do got a little clear protector on it, and you want to make sure that you take it off and you just roll it on off and they'll come off. Now always check it, make sure ain't no scratches or nothing on it. Some people normally wipe it down. So what I normally do is just get some alcohol and just wipe it down. Make sure it's nice and clean. And once it dry up, I always lay mine on the picture and lay the picture down flat. And take 2 pieces of transfer tape, lay it right on top as flat as possible. And this do be the hard part, picking it up. I ain't even gonna lie. So now we got it like that. And yes, the picture is bigger than this, and that's why I want to make sure the whole plate get covered. All right. So you use like some butcher paper and you just lay your design flat in the butcher paper. Now I fold my butcher paper. Oh, and I laid the plate down flat like that and have lay the butcher paper. And then you press it. I have my temperature at 400 for 60 seconds. Ooh. So you see the steam, so you know it's nice and hot, and you just peel it on back, and you see it went on there. So I'm about to take y'all over here, and we're gonna see how it do. Just be a little careful, cause the plate is hot, and there you go. So then once you got it like that, you take the pendant that they want, and you take this clear one. It's just a clear paper. It has a protector on it, so you gotta be gentle with it. People like me with no nails is gonna struggle with it. Oh, got it. Alright, so I got it, y'all. You just take it off. One piece gonna be sticky and one not. See, this the sticky one, this not. So all you doing is laying it in there, cause this gonna lay on here. Or you can go ahead and just stick it on here too.
Trying to be fancy.
Because sometimes it don't be working, y'all. It don't be working for me. So, you know, just as neat as possible. And so it can stick in there. Like that. Now, what I normally do, I take my wipe again and spray some alcohol. Let's get some alcohol. Let's get some alcohol and just clean it up from my little paw prints and stuff. And get all that off. Alright, so now it is in there. Hold on. Lord. Cut. Hold on. I had to fix it. It got stuck. It won't lay right. Hold on. They keep trying to make him sideways. Oh. They keep trying to make him sideways. I don't want him sideways. There we go. Alright, so here goes the fun part. The part that was giving me a little headache. Because at first I tried Glorilla glue. Then I was looking for my 63. What was it? I think it's 63, 65. My 65 glue. Couldn't find it. So I was like, you know what? I got some UV glue and we're going to do it with this. So you don't want to put that much on it. But you do want to get your, once again, alcohol going to be your best friend. Because you want to make sure ain't no lint or nothing on, and it's nice and clear. And you just gonna put a dab of this on there, just a dab, because it's gonna spread out once you lay it in there. Sometimes I do overdo it, don't worry. Alright. So you see, it's not that much. If you can see, it's just a dab. And then you get your thing, and you just lay it right in there and let it spread out. Once it's spread out, you're going to see how clear it is. You get your damp, round, regular alcohol. You gotta put that much. And then just make sure you kind of getting the excess that came out. If you don't put that much on it, because I had to practice this, I'm not going to lie. The first one I did overflowed a little bit. You won't have to worry about it. See, like this one, I kind of got broke it down. I found that technique. It ain't overflowed. So now, normally people would do 60 seconds. I like to overdo it. Oh, let me plug this up. This ain't even plugged up. Wow. I guess this gonna tell me where to go. So it said just go right here. So we're gonna bring this. It's still in. All right. So you just put it on the down, and it has a timer. And I do mine for 90 seconds. Gotta be on the safe side. So we'll be back in 90 seconds. Okay, so I have already did some of them. And this is the way they come out once you do the UV. And it's nice and clear. And you can see it don't move. So it's better than using glue. A lot of people use glue, but I thought this would be more sufficient with time. Alright, so now once you have it like that, you basically really done. I have wiped them down again with alcohol, 100% alcohol. And like I said, they do give you the chains for them as well. Some people do take the use different chains or will pay for extra. But at this point, until I see something is wrong with these, this is my first time using this product, I'm going to just keep it with the product that they're using. And y'all, don't pay my nail no mind. I'm about to do my nails over. These were the nails that y'all see I had in Atlanta. I can't get this thing, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so all you do is take the necklace. Y'all, this nail almost off too. Hold on. Shut up. Well, good thing I'm a nail tech. I can do my own nail. Yeah, this thing do not want to work for me. There you go. So you take the chain off. It's not that long of a chain. It's a nice size. And you put the chain. Now, it is thin. I will say that. So I wouldn't yank or nothing with it. Wouldn't want nobody to yank it. I don't think it will last the fight. It will win the battle. Alright, so let's see. Oh, now look. Now I put it on. It gave me luck. See? And there you have it. A nice, beautiful memorial change with a loved one inside.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey.